They come in every color you can imagine: red, yellow, green, even purple. Some are sweet and crunchy. Others, they'll set your mouth on fire. But have you ever wondered what actually makes peppers hot? Let's dive into the science, the spice, and the surprising story behind one of nature's most fiery creations. Peppers belong to the capsicum genus, part of the nightshade family, right alongside tomatoes and potatoes. They've been cultivated for thousands of years, especially in the Americas, where they originated. Today, they spice up cuisines from Mexico to Thailand, but not all peppers bring the heat. In fact, some are completely cool. Let's break them down. Bell peppers, colorful, crunchy, and completely heat-free. Jalapenos, a little kick, nothing crazy. Habaneros, now we're heating up. Ghost peppers and Carolina Reapers, dangerously hot. Handle with care. Each pepper's heat is measured in Scoville heat units, or SHUs, a scale that tells us how spicy it feels based on the amount of capsaicin it contains. Yay, you heard me right? Capsaicin. Capsaicin is the fiery compound responsible for the burning sensation. But here's the twist. It doesn't actually burn you. Capsaicin tricks your body into thinking it's being burned by binding to pain receptors, specifically the TRPV1 receptors, which normally detect heat around 42 degrees Celsius or 107 degrees Fahrenheit. When capsaicin hits, your nerves scream, "Fire!" Your brain believes it, and the sweat, the tears, the runny nose, all real responses to an imaginary flame. Even after the mouth, capsaicin keeps going down into your stomach, and yes, out the other side. We'll get to that. Let's talk numbers. Bell peppers, 0 Scoville heat units. Jalapenos, around 2,500 to 8,000 Scoville heat units. Ghost peppers, over 1 million. And pure capsaicin, a mind-blowing 16 million Scoville heat units. So hot, just a few milligrams can be lethal in lab rats. In fact, pepper spray used by law enforcement, that's about 2 to 5 million Scoville heat units. Painful, but non-lethal. While eating super hot peppers in food is generally safe, excessive amounts, especially above 10% capsaicin, can cause real trouble. Vomiting, cramps, even temporary shock. Here's a common mistake. You bite a hot pepper. You grab a glass of water. Now, your mouth is on fire, and somehow it gets worse. Why? Capsaicin is fat-soluble, not water-soluble, so water just spreads it around. Milk, yogurt, or anything fatty, that dissolves the capsaicin and puts out the fire. If you're going spicy, have dairy nearby. That burn doesn't always end in the mouth. Sometimes, the real heat shows up hours later in your stomach, or worse, your toilet. Capsaicin resists digestion. It continues to irritate the lining of your stomach and intestines, activating those same TRPV1 receptors inside your gut. The result? Cramping, nausea, and yes, diarrhea. This is your body trying to get rid of the irritant, fast. And if you've got a sensitive gut, or conditions like IBS or acid reflux, the effects can be even stronger. So why do people intentionally torture themselves with spicy food? Because after the pain comes the pleasure. Capsaicin triggers a release of endorphins and dopamine, natural chemicals that make you feel good. It's like a runner's high, but with chili. Plus, peppers are nutritional powerhouses, more vitamin C than oranges, loaded with vitamin A, B6, K1, and potassium. Capsaicin itself may help boost metabolism, relieve pain, and even fight inflammation. Moderation is key, but the benefits are real. Frequent eaters also build tolerance as TRPV1 receptors desensitize. If you want the health benefits without the digestive distress, here's how. Start mild. Jalapenos or banana peppers are a great intro. Eat with food, never on an empty stomach. Pair with dairy. Yogurt-based sauces work wonders. Build tolerance. Your TRPV1 receptors will slowly desensitize. Even one small pepper a day can boost your vitamin intake and add serious flavor to your meals. Here's a twist of nature. Birds can eat the hottest peppers without feeling a thing. Why? They lack TRPV1 receptors. This helps pepper plants spread their seeds far and wide, without worrying about mammals eating the fruit before it matures. So next time you bite into a spicy chili, remember, you're feeling what birds never will. From mild bell peppers to the blazing Carolina Reaper, every pepper tells a story of evolution, culture, chemistry, and a little bit of madness. Capsaicin is more than just heat. It's science, it's survival, and for millions, it's delicious. So, what makes peppers hot? Now you know,